there was a melody that came from the depths of me.
We've heard plenty of rumors about the Samsung Galaxy S11, and now we're also getting a close look at the possible design, thanks to some detailed leaked renders. Shared by 91 Mobiles and ItOnLeaks, a leaker with a great track record, the renders show a phone with a single lens punch-hole camera in the top center of the screen. It's a placement that's more like the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 than the Samsung Galaxy S10, but it's something that we've heard before. The first set of renders of the Samsung Galaxy S11 are out, and as the rumors have been floating around, the Galaxy S11 will take massive design cues from the Galaxy Note 10 and some current Galaxy M series models. There's no folding display on the Galaxy S11 yet, but Samsung could be looking to take on Apple and Google this time with a robust set of cameras. And if you want the numbers, there are 5 cameras this time. Let's start at the front. The Galaxy S11 still retains the curvy design with rounded corners and curved edges on the display. The hole punch cutout for the selfie camera now shifts from corners to the center, just like the Galaxy Note 10. The bezels on top and sides are quite slim, whereas the chin is narrow too. The edges have the usual volume and power buttons, which also hint Samsung will stick to the in-display fingerprint sensor on the S11 as well. However, it's the back where things get interesting. The Galaxy S11 has 5 cameras at the back, and if you must have guessed it, they have been arranged in a similar fashion that Google and Apple followed for the Pixel 4 and iPhone 11 Pro respectively. It's hard to digest at first glance, but these cameras could offer great photography that rivals the other flagships. The leaked document says that Samsung will go for a 108-megapixel camera, but with a sensor that's different from the one you find on phones like the Mi Mix Alpha and Mi Note 10. That means the camera quality could vastly improve on the Galaxy S11 compared to the current Gen S10. It is also said that Samsung could bring in features like 5x optical zoom, deep fusion-like technology similar to Apple's iPhone 11 series, 8K video recording, vertical panoramas, director's view, and more. However, the 3.5mm headphone jack finally bids goodbye to the Galaxy S series phones, and users will have to rely on USB-C headphones or wireless earbuds. There are some other rumors too surrounding the Galaxy S11, such as a 120Hz display, Snapdragon 865, obviously, and more. There will be 3 models, with the base Galaxy S11E getting a 6.3-inch 6.4-inch screen, while the regular Galaxy S11 and Galaxy S11 Pro could flaunt 6.7-inch and 6.9-inch displays. These are leaks and none of this is officially confirmed. Hence, expect some of the info and design to be different when Samsung launches it early next year.